When I visited KU, it just felt right. I mean, it had this balance of support and challenge that I feel like is really important.
KU Law is a nationally recognized program, and it's a very warm community.
Hi, I'm Ava. I'm a 2L from Omaha, Nebraska, and I'm not sure what type of law I want to practice yet, but KU's done a great job in supporting me in figuring that out.
Hey y'all, I'm Brandon. I'm from California. I'm a second-year law student here at KU Law, and I'm really hoping to go practice law for the United States Air Force.
So let's go check the building out.
Let's do it. I'm sure you've heard the horror stories about how competitive law school can be. KU's different. People care about you succeeding.
Yeah, I mean, I've had classmates send me notes without even asking. It's a very collaborative environment. From day one, you're welcomed in. You can feel the camaraderie, like in the Blue Book Relays, which is an annual competition for first-year students. Classes are rigorous, but the professors all have an open door policy, and they're teaching classes that they're genuinely interested in, and so they want to talk about the law with you.
Law school is challenging, but the faculty here at KU will empower you so that you can understand the material and thrive. Welcome to the courtroom. This is the coolest room in the entire law school. This room makes it all feel real.
A lot of stuff happens in this room. We have moot court, mock trial, and a bunch of classes. KU Law is also the only law school in the nation that has traffic court. In traffic court, people who get citations on campus can appeal them. Then the law students argue them out as the lawyers and judges. When I first toured KU Law, I was really drawn to the Project for Innocence. It's a great way to see how students can impact people's lives.
Here at KU Law, not only will you have the opportunity to learn about the theory of law, but you'll have the opportunity to experience and practice law. At the Legal Aid Clinic here at KU, you'll get to experience what it's like to deal with real people with real problems.
You have guidance from attorneys, but you're the one doing the actual work.
KU Law understands that getting your law degree is just the first step of many. That's why we have our Career Services office.
The Career Services people help you with interviewing and networking. They also have great connections with the KU Law alumni all around the nation.
Hey, if you're interested in studying abroad, KU's got your back. KU Law supports studying abroad in Ireland, Italy, and Turkey.
They even have a 6-semester in DC program if you're a little more policy-oriented, and students go in groups together and spend the semester.
Welcome to the 4th floor. This is my favorite space in the entire law school library.
It's a great place to study because if you have questions about a specific case or class, professors' offices line this floor, so you can go and pop in and ask them. KU has 2 publications, Law Review and the Journal of Law and Public Policy. This is the journal's office where students can collaborate, hang out, and work on editing the publication.
Journal is a great opportunity to hone those legal research and writing skills, and it's a great way to get your work out there to be read by others.
Law school can be intense, so I love that KU has built in some wellness resources.
KU Law is invested in your wellness. That's why they provide resources like yoga classes and an emergency fund, just in case.
I've been to the yoga classes, and they're a great way to de-stress.
KU Law is a great space to learn and to grow.
It's the perfect place to develop your career.
We're excited to meet you.
Rock chalk.